she knows them
Mm.
because Miss Barreto has been actively involved in the sabong, hindi ba? She got to like the business, hindi ba? Parang nagpo-promote siya, hindi ba? May mga videos kung saan siya nagre-release ng mga manok. And of
Yes.
course, she also maintains her own mga manok, no? Tapos lumalaban, nagbebet siya, minsan nananalo siya, minsan natatalo, but enjoy siya sa game. And the whistleblowers are actually, itong isa, pagkakaintindi ko, he's also an investor. At dahil he's also involved in yung pagsasabong, nakikita sila. Of course, nakikita sila. Kasi matagal yung naintindihan ko, nagulat nga ako na yung sometimes yung mga sessions, mga 23 hours yata, yung tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy yung so nakikita sila. So, yes, she has met him.
Pero,
And just encountered him.
opo, yung sinasabi po na tangkang pangingikil kay Miss Gretchen Barreto, sino po yung nagtangkang pangingikil and magkano po yung hinihingi if you don't mind? Kasi parang ang alam ko yung kay Atong Ang, yung 300 million yata, hindi po ba?
Oo. No, to be ang nangyari dun kasi actually is that yung isang kasama siguro ni Mr. Brown, no? Ang pangalan niya Brown, Alan Bantiles ba siya? Ang tawag nila Brown. Minsan tinawagan na si Miss Gretchen Barreto at sinabi na parang may balak gawin si whistleblower at may pasasabugin rin. And he suggested na tawagin mo na yung asawa ni whistleblower. Magbayad na lang para hindi ka isama doon sa listahan. It never went further than that because Miss Gretchen never called anyone. Hindi nagkaroon ng further discussions because she refused to pay. And it ended with that.
Pero dito sa pangingikil o extortion attempt nga po, Attorney Alma, no, meron naman kayong ebidensya na talagang may extortion na nangyari. Like, may details po kayo, evidence po.
All I can say is that the call was made. I don't know if Miss Barreto maintained records. It would be funny if she did. And actually, irrelevant siya. Hindi ba? Kasi silang kailangang magpatunay kasi na merong involvement si Miss Barreto. Doon sa sinasabi nilang disappearance. Itong pagtawag at pag-attempt na mag-extort kay Miss Barreto is just one indication that this is all, hindi ko maintindihan, setup ba ito, scam ba ito, desperation ba to on the part of the whistleblower? Because ang pagkakaintindi ko, Mr. Whistleblower is stands accused. Hindi ba? In some cases involving the kidnapping in a serious illegal detention of some of the missing sabongeros. Hindi siya murder, I understand, because yung corpus delicti, yung body of the crime, hindi pa nahahanap yung mga missing na sabongeros, no? So, hindi ko alam, may mga kwento na kailangan niya ng pera, siyang humingi ng pera para makatakas, hindi ko alam.
So call lang pala, no, yung extortion attempt. Pero meron po kayong documentation po kung sakasakali to prove na si Miss Gretchen Barreto ay talagang dun sa financial side or investor lang po at wala po talaga siyang decision-making powers, first of all.
She has no decision-making power. She's not engaged in the operation of the sabong.
We have proof of that po? Documentation?
No, we will not. The documentation will show kung siguro incorporation paper, she's not part of that as far as I know. Yung sinasabi ni kasing pitmaster, it's more of it's a group informally called pitmasters where there are investors, parang categories yan, Alpha A, parang category A at saka category B. And ang pagkakaintindi ko, yung whistleblower is also an investor for both A and B, as Miss Barreto also is.
And ano po yung...
So, surely, ang involvement niya, she enjoys sabong. She promoted events concerning the sabong. She participated in events. She lost, she won, meron siyang pinapalaban ng mga sabong, and that's the extent. Yung decision-making process, policy, etc., wala. And it's so absurd. Sa totohanan lang, kung hindi lang siya napakaseryoso, nakakatawa for Mr. Whistleblower now to make this invention out of the blue after coming out. Alam mo kung totoo siya, noong umpisa pa sinabi na lang niya na merong nagkakaroon ng meetings, even if it's so absurd. Sasabihin na lang niya na, na yun, mga investors dito, nagmi-meet sila, mini-meeting sila, sinasabi, itong mga tao ito, ipapadisappear namin ha, gagawa kami project, yes or no, magbutangan tayo. Hindi ba katawa-tawa yun? Hindi, kapanipaniwala ba yun? But, naiintindihan ko na, as I said, meron siguro nagsabi kay Mr. Whistleblower, kung ganyan lang ang sasabihin mo tungkol kay Ms. Gretchen Barreto, tigilan mo na. Dahil your opinion, yung speculation mo na dapat meron siyang alam because she's an investor, just one of about 20 investors in category A, hindi uubra yan. That is not evidence. That doesn't indicate conspiracy, that there are no overt acts. So, nang-invento sila.